Now let's talk about first two dimensions of behavior change, structural factor and directed factor in a little bit more detail. Well, the first two dimensions appear primarily deals with how these dimensions appear to a user. In structural factor, what it does is that it follows a structural path that changes the behavior at the margin. And directive factor is a factor by themselves that changes the behavior. Now let's dig deeper into a structural factor. So we know that a behavior can be active, such as clicking a link, or passive, such as setting up a recurring payment system. Even if it's active behavior, which is on-path behavior that follows a structural path, it can be onerous for a user. For instance, if the user has to set up a profile where he has to enter credit card information, it is easier to leave the website than enter those kind of information. For passive behavior, these are behavior that follows a for passive behavior. Here the user does not have to do anything. It usually follows the structural factors. An example of this is recurring payment system. Now, second factor is director factor, where 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 the user is explicitly asked to do something. Sometimes even a structural feature can be directed. Let's say if the action allows the user to do something that is both on path and off path, then action is called on path. And this action is both structural and directed. For instance, let's say you get an email with a heartwarming message from a charity, and then it is followed by a call to action to provide a donation to charity. This is both the heartwarming message is on path, while call to action is directed factor. So it is both directed and on path. And lastly, the size of behavior. The size of behavior the size of behavior change produced is a different dimension. It can be marginal change or outside change. Marginal change means a small shift, while outside change is a massive shift. All behavior that does massive or small changes is a result of the active behavior. Is cause of both active behavior. So today I just talked about change in behavior in a web product.